This is gonna be a quick how-to on how I will mount my winch for my ATV. It's gonna be mostly a general guideline. I'll have to remove mostly all the plastics, bring the wiring to the battery. I've already started. I took the bracket that came with the kit, cut it, make some new holes, paint it. It's gonna sit right here. Nice winch with the synthetic rope. Little controller. All the wiring with the color that match the solenoid, plus the brackets. First, I will mount the bracket. Now that the bracket's in place, I'll mount the winch on the plate with the 4-bolt. Now the winch is mounted, it's fixed in place. I'll start to remove the plastics. I will be able to route all the wiring up to the handlebar under the seat and bring it to the battery. I ended up putting the solenoid right here. I remove both mounting tab under the solenoid, made a hole on the battery tray with 1 bolt. I just finished routed the both the blue and the yellow from the solenoid to the winch. I've tried to have it as neat as possible. You can see. They aren't too obvious from the front. Alongside the frame, the plastic will cover it mostly. Now the battery is connected and the solenoid all wired up. I had to shorten the ground wire and the positive wire because they were like 2 feet long. I didn't want it to have some wire roll around the chuck. Last thing is the remote on the handlebar. For the remote, I have to source a positive wire from the ignition. I can try to splice it, but in this mess. The remote is wired. I hooked up the 12-volt source right here. It has 12 volt only when I turn the key. So keys off, winch don't work, keys on, work. For the remote wires, I had to do some custom wiring again. It was maybe another 2 feet. So now everything's in place, everything worked. I just have to put back all the plastics, see if it fits as it should. The winch is fully installed now. As you can see, all the plastic are there. You can barely see the big wire. Now I will be able to pull myself out of if I get stuck, or maybe if I want to put a snowplow on front of it,